Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is the Christmas season has been hijacked for profit. The Christmas season has been hijacked for profit. So the topic entails that the festival has been hijacked for profit. In Indian context, there are a lot of festivals. So for the similar to Christmas, we have Diwalis, Holi's, and many other fests. And what we often see is there are offers coming around these fairs. And technically, if you analyze that, you would find that there are no offers. They are just increasing the price of stuff and then they are slashing by like 50% or 30% just to game your psychology. So you would think that prices are slashed around the fest and you would buy this stuff, but actually it's not cheap. It's not. It has priced in such a way that after uh, you reduce the discount amount, you always have very good healthy margin. So they are just playing with the psychology, and it has just more. It has become more about making profit out of those fests. So people prepare for companies prepare for these festivals because these festivals give a huge jump in sales. So the whole industry has been centering around these festivals. I'm not saying this is wrong or something. What I'm trying to say is if you're trying to boost your sale around the festive because people are happy and celebrating the fest, so you would not game the psychology. If you truly, you should sell the stuff at the right amount, maybe at a reduced price. You just show that 50% off, but actually it's not 50% off. So that is something I do not find in line with the principles of the company or anyway. So yes, I do agree with the statement that these days all the festivals have become hijacked by the profit centers, so the profit mafias, the companies play around with the East Fest and sell the stuffs at a higher. Uh, they show that they have reduced the amount, but actually they did not. So some companies do, but it's not the case. So yes, that has been my opinion. Thank you.